Biffle's in trouble. Biffle has hit the wall hard. Oh, no. Sprague's loose. Hang on, Jack. He can't save it. Not this time. Lights up the tires and keeps it off of the wall. Oh, until that truck comes by. It's Friday the 13th. It's a full moon. It's got to be some kind of explanation like that. I mean, this has been too bizarre. Returns the favor and says, oh, now he's into it into the wall.
See, that was really uncalled for by Marty Houston.
This time by three laps to wall. Now there's contact. Out of the way. Wallace spinning around, lights the tires up, keeps it off the wall.
With Kurt Johnson, there is an identical start.
And into the sand he goes. Down at the far end of the racetrack, unable to get it to stop.
Here's a treat for you. Look at it from the wing strut. Ladies and gentlemen, John Force has won it, number 86.
And this one here is for Austin Coyle, Skytown Hustler in Chicago Met.
When Thrills and Spills 2000 continues, the stars of the NASCAR Winston Cup Series get down to business.
Comes Hamilton. There's a 12th car of Mayfield, and boom.
Right here.
Boom.
Both those cars go. Oh, man. Oh.
Wow, man.
Wallace gets in the side of his brother.
Yep.
Oh, contact. And around goes Junior. All right. All right, let's go. Good stop. All right. Yes. Oh. Jeff Gordon gets in the rear of the 77 and Seymour spins at the same time. That was synchronized spinning, Bob.
Yes, it was.